This giant block of plastic might not look like much, but actually it contains some mystical, magical powers. You see, a couple of years ago I wanted to do this and I just never got time. Finally got around to sourcing it and getting them cut. We have our 24 by 12 inch molds. As you know, we also have our 18 by 12 inch molds, which are generally the more popular size. But what if we don't have any 18 by 12s, or what if you're a maker and you want to have both molds but can only afford one? Well, the general idea would be to use spacers, but making your own spacers and wrapping them with tuck tape, whatever, is kind of nonsense. So we brought in these 6 by 12 by 1.5 inch super thick milled HDPE blocks that are going to act as spacers for our 24 by 12 mold. As soon as you put that in there, you're gonna have an 18 by 12 by 1.5 inch mold if you want to only make an 18 by 12 board and not have to waste the extra resin. Likewise, you take it out and you've got your 24 by 12 mold. Put it in the middle and you've got two molds. You've got a 9 by 12, double 9 by 12 voids. You can adjust it as follows. You want to make a small cheese board or a square, you could do this as well. So this block actually does have some magical powers. It's very heavy. It can also serve as a weapon. So if someone breaks into your shop, hit them really hard. Hammer might be the better option, but this is also a good thing to choose. Now I want to show you really quickly what I mean. I'm going to put the block into the mold. I'm going to grab a piece of 18-inch wood, and I'm just going to really demonstrate how powerful this magic block is. Now, if you aren't familiar with HDPE, resin really doesn't stick to it. Once the resin's cured, this thing's literally going to pop right off and it's going to be nice and clean, ideally. Okay, I kind of feel like I'm hosting a daytime cooking show, having all my ingredients prepared, but we've got our mold, we've sprayed it with our mold release, we've got our block, we're going to throw it in, line it up in the corner. It's got a nice tight fit. I've mixed up some Total Boat Thickset and some black diamond pigment in our mixing bucket, and I have grabbed a piece of live edge wood. This is 18 inches, so we're going to use that, basically put it right there and essentially have a nice little fit with our existing mold. Even though it's a 24-inch mold, with a spacer becomes an 18-inch mold. Don't have to drive that point home anymore, and easily just going to pour this. Now keep in mind, you're going to have some resin leaking under this block. It's inevitable, but the thing is with HDPE is that resin really doesn't stick to that material. So once it's all set, it will really just peel right off and you'll be able to use that block and the mold once again. Got my super high-tech hold down method, and voila, we're going to wait and let that set and we'll demold it. Well, that's it. Easy peasy. It'll save you time, and this will definitely save you money if you're actually trying to buy two molds or having to waste resin just to cut it down. So for the, you know, just under $30 cost of that solid, big, heavy plastic block, it's probably a good investment. But what do I know? I just make the stuff. Okay, guys, head over to craftelements.com right now if you want to get any of our molds or one of these blocks if you've already got a mold, or if you want to buy the block mold combo. craftelements.com. Thanks for watching.